Gold price went into the box. It triggered earlier during the London Open and hit its target, but I wasn't awake. So waiting for gold to come out of the box for a long, and looks like oil will trigger a short trade. So yeah, it's still a bit early, so just gotta wait. We have a short on oil. All right, so oil hit its target. Still waiting on gold to come out of the box for a long. All right, let's do the trade alert recap for Tuesday, Valentine's Day. I had a bit of a mishap today. I had a momentary lapse in internet connection, which I didn't realize because I'm not watching those charts. Disconnected my auto trader. So I was only able to catch 2 trades today with the auto trader, and the rest I had to do manually, which was just a pain because I am really reliant on my auto trader. But anyway, these are the results for today. Good day overall with the trade alerts. A couple of markets might have been a bit tricky, but as I will show you, every single alert worked out. So let's start with the NASDAQ. A long at 12,556. So again, a number of opportunities. This is 8:30 report, so we're probably staying away from that. So I'm going to assume this long no one got. Closer to the open, actually after the open, we had a nice sell-off, which to me was actually unexpected. I thought price is going to go straight up to 640. In any case, as far as the alert went, definitely got your 20 ticks and then some on the way down, then broke through the buy trigger and of course reached the 640 and a bit higher that I anticipated from the beginning. And I told the group that's what I was thinking. The sell-off in the beginning completely took me by surprise, and actually advised the group not to take this short. And this was just my opinion. And of course, my opinion doesn't count for anything because this short trigger worked out beautifully. In any case, whoever waited then would have taken the long here. After that, there was another trigger on the short side, but I don't like to trade after this point. Again, triggered on the short side. Again, as happens more often than not, triggers occur more than once in the session. Let's go to the S&P. S&P was a long at 41.54 and a short at 41.29. So once again, the news report, probably don't want to trade that. Then the unexpected short, which I told group members to stay away from, worked out beautifully. And then the move higher, here is the buy, and then another sell. So in my opinion, just for my private equity trading, I found the first hour of trading extremely confusing, and I stayed away from it because I was expecting a move straight up to 67, and instead they sold off first, which got me confused. Then indeed they got to 67 and then reached the 4108, another number I was talking about in the channel, 4108, and for that I did take a short. Anyway, let's move on to oil. Oil was a short at 78.72. Triggered again during that 8:30 news time. Then after that, again triggered on the short side. Then came up, and I don't know what happened since then, but I wouldn't trade that. Again, though, there was a winning trade here. It's just, again, it's the time close to 11. If I did not make my money in oil here, I would have just left it alone over here, but this trade did work out. The Dow was along at 34,305 or a short at 34.96. Pretty much the same story. The news report broke through, then broke under. It might not seem like much, but this is more than the 20 ticks that we take on the Dow. It's about 60 points here. Then broke to the upside, again giving you more than 20 ticks, and then broke to the short side once again. So again, plenty of opportunities pretty much across the board. Gold was a long 1871, a short 1863. It's like a repetitive story. First triggering on the long side during the report, giving you a couple of opportunities to get your 10 ticks in gold on the long side. Then breaking down below 1863 and giving you a short for definitely more than 20 ticks, breaking up, giving you more than 20 ticks. So multiple opportunities in this market as well today. The Russell, a long 1952 or a short 1936. So 52, and I guess I forgot to draw the line in 36. Sorry about that. But 36 is like here. So after, same exact thing, right? So first the news, you get your points on the upside, then 36 breaks, you get your points on the downside, and then again the long breaks and the short breaks. So a very similar story across the board. Let's take a look at our euro. So euro gets to be a star of an instrument. So euro last night, I posted a long at 76.15 or a short at 72.45. So 76.15 triggers slightly before the London Open, the first try, and then comes up again and just definitely a beautiful, I don't think any heat at all, winning trade on this euro. So euro is doing really well. All right, so overall, as far as the alerts, looks like a very easy day. As far as my own S&P trading and NASDAQ trading, was a bit confusing during the first hour of the session, but then things settled down and I kind of got my bearings. So good day overall. Once again, if you are looking to join us, my email and website is in the description. Blue Wave Trading is running an amazing special for group members. So anyone who looks to join and you want the BWT Auto Trader, that Randy is making some great deals. So check out his website and his YouTube channel. And I mean, I think now you can lease monthly. This is for group members of this community. They can lease the Auto Trader for just $125 a month. And Blue Wave used to charge $500 a month for a lease. Also, huge sales, huge breaks, huge discounts on purchasing and renewing your license. So get in touch. Thank you, guys.